Starting a health food and organic products business in New York City is a great way to tap into the booming wellness market.
Welcome to Business Matters, a presentation of the Chamber Coalition, which comprises the New American Chamber of Commerce, the African American International Chamber of Commerce, and the Hispanic American International Chamber of Commerce. To become a chamber member, be a guest, or register for our events, go to www.nacc.nyc. That's www.nacc.nyc. Or call us at 718-722-9217. That's 718-722-9217.
How to start a health food and organic products business in NYC. A step-by-step guide. With the increasing demand for healthy, organic, and sustainable products, starting a health food and organic products business in New York City is a great opportunity. Consumers are becoming more conscious of their dietary choices, preferring organic, non-GMO, plant-based, and chemical-free options. If you are passionate about health and wellness, opening a business that caters to this growing market can be both fulfilling and profitable. However, starting a business in NYC requires proper legal registration, compliance with health regulations, and an effective marketing strategy. To ensure your business is legally protected and positioned for success, hire the business attorneys at Figeroux Associates. Their team provides legal representation and marketing guidance to help entrepreneurs launch and grow their businesses. Contact them at askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 for expert assistance. This guide will take you through a step-by-step process to start your health food and organic products business in NYC. Step 1. Conduct market research and develop a business plan. Market research. Before starting your health food business, you need to analyze the market, identify your target audience, and understand the competition. Target audience. Identify health-conscious consumers, including vegans, vegetarians, fitness enthusiasts, people with dietary restrictions, gluten-free, keto, paleo, and eco-friendly shoppers. Competitor analysis. Research existing health food stores, organic markets, and specialty grocery shops in NYC, such as Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and smaller organic stores. Trends. Stay updated on popular health trends, including plant-based diets, superfoods, probiotic drinks, organic skincare, and eco-friendly packaging. Develop a business plan. A detailed business plan will guide your startup process and attract potential investors. Your plan should include business concept. Define whether you will operate an organic grocery store, health food cafe, e-commerce shop, or combination of multiple services. Product selection. List the organic foods, supplements, skincare products, or eco-friendly household items you will sell. Startup costs. Estimate expenses for rent, equipment, inventory, marketing, and employee salaries. Marketing plan. Outline strategies for attracting customers through social media, events, influencer partnerships, and local advertising. Operational plan. Describe your supply chain, daily business operations, and customer service approach. Step 2. Choose a legal structure and register your business. To legally operate your health food business in NYC, you must register the company and obtain necessary permits. Figeroux Associates can help you navigate this process smoothly. Business registration. Choose a business structure. LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship. Register your business with the New York Department of State. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS for tax purposes. Apply for a business license with the NYC Department of Consumer and Worker Protection. Permits and licenses. Food Service Establishment Permit, If selling prepared foods, retail food store license. If operating a grocery store, organic certification from the USDA. If selling organic products, NYC Health Department permits for food safety compliance. Liquor license. If selling organic wines or beverages. Insurance coverage. General liability insurance to protect against customer claims. Product liability insurance for food safety concerns. Workers' compensation insurance for employee protection. For professional legal assistance, contact Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us. Step 3. Find the perfect location. The success of your health food business depends on choosing the right location in NYC. Best NYC areas for a health food business: Manhattan, Upper West Side, Soho, Greenwich Village. High income, health conscious residents: Brooklyn, Williamsburg, Park Slope, DUMEO. Trendy neighborhoods with organic lifestyle demand: Queens, Astoria, Long Island City, Forest Hills. Growing interest in wellness and organic products: the Bronx, Riverdale, Fordham, Pelham Bay. Emerging market for healthy food alternatives. Factors to consider: high foot traffic and visibility, proximity to gyms, yoga studios, and farmers markets, accessibility to parking or public transportation. Step 4. Source organic and health food products. Finding the right suppliers is essential for maintaining product quality and profitability. Wholesale organic suppliers, local farmers and organic markets for fresh produce. National organic distributors like UNFI, KHE, and Nature's Best. Direct brand partnerships with organic product manufacturers. Product categories to offer: organic fruits and vegetables, plant-based and vegan foods, gluten-free and keto snacks, superfoods and supplements, organic beauty and skincare products, eco-friendly household items. Step 5. Design your store and purchase equipment. A well-organized and visually appealing store attracts customers and enhances their shopping experience. Store setup tips: use natural decor, wooden shelves, and eco-friendly signage. Organize sections for fresh produce, packaged goods, and wellness products. Provide self-service stations for organic bulk items. Essential equipment: refrigerators and freezers for organic dairy and frozen items, shelving and display racks for packaged products, point of sale, POS system for fast checkout. Step 6. Hire and train employees. A knowledgeable and friendly staff enhances the customer experience. Hiring needs: store manager, oversees daily operations. Sales associates, assist customers with health product selections. Nutritionist/health consultant, optional, provides personalized advice. Employee training, educate staff on organic certification, health benefits of products, and customer service. Step 7. Market your health food business. An effective marketing strategy is crucial for attracting health-conscious customers. Online marketing, website and e-commerce, sell products online for additional revenue. Social media marketing, promote on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Email newsletters, share health tips, new arrivals, and special discounts. Local advertising and community engagement. Partner with gyms, yoga studios, and wellness influencers. Attend organic food festivals and farmers markets. Offer in-store workshops on nutrition and wellness. Need help with marketing strategies? Contact Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845. Step 8. Launch and expand your business. Grand opening tips. Offer free samples of organic snacks and juices. Provide discounts for first-time customers. Host wellness events with guest speakers and fitness instructors. Scaling your business. Open additional locations in high-demand neighborhoods. Develop your own organic product line. Expand online sales and offer nationwide delivery. Conclusion: starting a health food and organic products business in NYC is a great way to tap into the booming wellness market. By following this step-by-step guide, you can successfully launch a business that caters to health-conscious consumers. To protect your business legally and get expert marketing advice, hire the business attorneys at Figeroux Associates. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us today.
Are you ready to start or grow your business, but don't know where to begin? Small Business Solutions, a division of the law firm of Figeroux Associates, is here to help. From business formation and financing to marketing, certifications, legal, and tax advice, we provide comprehensive support to entrepreneurs like you. The path to business success starts with the right guidance. Let Small Business Solutions be your partner in navigating the challenges of business ownership. Avoid costly mistakes, secure funding, and build a strong legal foundation for your business. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Your business success starts here. Small Business Solutions, helping entrepreneurs succeed.